Guys, it's Taryn. Whoa, I have an introduction now.
Yeah.
I feel so loved, guys. Aw, thanks, Michael.
Hey, you're welcome.
He's the sweetest. Okay.
Sorry.
Awkward sauce. Anyway, I know once again it's not the usual rundown video you're used to. I gave you a little bit of a different background though. I hope you guys enjoy the view of the lovely outside. Anyway, yeah, it's raining. You can tell it looks kind of nasty outside. Even though we do have a wet weekend forecasted for us, we still have a lot going on. Everything's indoors, so you know what? Nothing to worry about. We have the Friday night Fay-Dodo going down at Evangeline Downs Racetrack and Casino. Do not boo me, okay? Do not boo me! Sorry, guys. Anyway, the Chewies are going to be there tonight. Yeah, see, there you go. More like it. They are going to kick off the music at 9 o'clock. Also, we are not playing The Price is Right, okay? We're not playing The Price is Right.
Okay.
All right. Just so he knows that. Saturday, we've got the Coshada powwow going on. Got the Coshada Indians in Kinder going to be in their dress. They're going to be doing the beautiful dances and everything. That's Saturday and Sunday. So make sure you're joining the festivities at the Pavilion at Coshada Casino Resort. Also, live music. Clint Black going to be at Cypress Bayou Casino.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. At 8 o'clock. Then Jared Lane's going to take the stage at 10. So make sure that you are there for the fun. Also, Saturday night at Evangeline Downs Racetrack and Casino, there's going to be Pam Tillis and Lori Morgan.
Hey.
Oh, wait, I thought you booed me again. I misheard that.
No, that was an accident earlier.
Thanks,
I don't
Mike.
read so good.
Thanks, Michael Scott. We love you, though. So make sure that you are joining in on the fun. If you want any more information about these great events for this weekend, make sure you check out the events page at 973thedog.com. Before you go, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. Hey, Michael Scott.
Hey.
We will see you out this weekend. Stay dry, stay safe. We love you. Bye, guys.